PAX East is really a showcase of student work. So faculty are there. We have 2 faculty there on site, and we also have about 8 students on site. Faculty are really there to help support the students, and if there's questions that maybe they can't answer about the program, that's where the faculty will come in. But really, that whole booth is run, it's put together all by our students. And really what that does for them is it showcases their work. Obviously, the booth is made up of all our student work. We have games that students have made that people come up and they play, and our students were actually building a game while they were there. So again, you keep hearing me say students, students, and students. It is really everything. This is something they put on their resume. They help run a booth at PAX. And really, one of the greatest things that they get out of this is networking, because every student there is an exhibitor. They're not coming in there with a regular 2-day pass or 1-day pass. They're an exhibitor there. It's a lot of hard work, but for the students, it's amazing for them. It's an opportunity that they said they couldn't ever go back as just a regular person going into the booth, because the experience was so great for them. So it really is something that's pretty special.